Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a pull-through braid on textured hair. This is a fun style to do and it's pretty easy, so let's get started. Starting on dry hair, you're going to take a section of hair right underneath, so just pull that hair out of the way and get that section near the neck. Now with a texture iron starting at the top, just start crimping it from the top and going all the way to the bottom. I don't hold the crimp on the hair very long, so you just need to hold it for a second and it'll crimp the hair. And I also have this on a medium heat, not a super high heat, so it won't burn it. Each time you're going to want to take a section of hair out, just make sure that each section of hair is not super thick, otherwise it won't crimp it very well. And you are going to want to do this for the whole entire head. So the reason that I'm texturing the hair is because it makes it a lot thicker. My girls have pretty thin hair, so this adds a lot of thickness and it makes it really easy to braid. Now to create the pull-through braid, make 5 ponytails or even 6 like I did here down the middle of the head. Take the top ponytail, split it in half, take the second ponytail, put it upwards through and clip it, and then attach that top ponytail to the third ponytail. Now pull down that section of hair, and then with each section on the sides, just pull it out just to make it thicker. Now you can see with the textured hair, it just makes it really thick. Now just continue this pattern all the way down the head. Now after you attach the 2 sections to the ponytail, like I said before, you're really going to want to pull on each side of those sections. And this is called pancaking the hair. Now when the hair is textured, it's really fun to make it really full just to take advantage of the fact that the hair is textured. So I really pulled on each side. Now you're going to want to do this all the way to the bottom of the braid. Now when you get to the bottom of the braid, just secure it with an elastic and you can go up and pull on each of the pieces if you'd like. Now this is just a really fun way to spice up a normal hairstyle, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this and I hope that you recreate it on your own. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. You can also click above if you would like to see some of our past tutorials. We have a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!